This is figure 8. This is gonna be dangerous. Hey guys, so we're here. We are at the Harley Davidson Museum going to Mama Tried. Hit that intro right now. Hello everyone, Adam, F6B Adventures here. I ride a 2022 Honda Goldwing and I record all of my trips and throw them up on YouTube. If you're into motorcycles, hockey, or any sort of adventure, you're at the right place. Hopefully you guys ride safe and maybe I'll see you guys down the road. See ya. Alright, well let me stop dancing and get on this bike. You guys wanted a video, let's start it. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright, now that we're back, God, I wish my Goldwing was here. It'd be great. I'd pull up on my wing, blah, 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 just like that. I'd pull up just like that. Can't see very well. Yeah, you can actually. Look at that thing. It's like the good old days of summer where they had motorcycles everywhere. Kind of cool. Look at all these bikes. They're gonna race these little things. You guys watched the video when I went to the Tail of the Dragon. They had these, but a lot smaller. You want to do that in the Goldwings? They were like 50 cc. These look like they got them from like a fancy Harbor Freight bike. Look at that. I bet they're quick though. Look at them, they're really cool. We're gonna go get some food real quick because I'm kind of hungry. Here's the track. Look at it. There's the track right here. You can see everybody booking it. I don't know when the race is, but when will they be racing? They're gonna race after 7. So we're gonna go get some food real quick.
One eternity later.
I don't know how good you can see me, but you know we gotta eat, right? Got my french fries, got my beef tips. You can't really see them, but they're good.
Few inches later.
It's like a pinto bean track. Oh, this is a good spot for me. These are all cool starter mini bikes. Looks like we're just getting some practice laps in.
Bikes, but even on the Tail of the Dragon, they'll smoke me.
Want to race tomorrow?
Oh, shit.
That's your job? Yeah, he's gonna wipe out. Keep an eye on him. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Oh my God! And he keeps going. That was just the warm-up, so let's see what happens in the real deal, okay? I don't know what kind of money's on the line or anything, so
there's no police in Milwaukee. Major, I tried to go on this first round last night. This is the box. Man, the museum hates when you do that. But hey, you're a child, so they're not going to probably...
We've got a badass over here.
That kid's little.
What do you understand about this? You look very confused. And the flag map says go. Nice. In the low, my God. You have a partner on that thing. What are you doing?
You got a bigger ass.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You got a bigger ass.
Oh, it's inside. Oh, you were just playing hard to get. I like that. Back to the inside, and don't look at me. Circle racing, and now the other way. Oh my God. Oh, they're trading. Well, there's so many rules here. Not all of these get to drop. That's awesome. Hit it. What a perfect race.
At this point, one of the bikes had a mind of its own.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah! Woo! That's exactly how you start a race. Hell yeah! Hold on some more. Yeah! I was born anyway. That's what I'm talking about.
This is figure 8. This is gonna be dangerous. If any of you guys crash, I'll see you tomorrow at the hospital. We'll fix your leg.
This is no.
People are gonna get hurt, but it's okay.
Kids in the world. Let him in the Harley Museum.
I just wanted to say, I think I had a brain fart right here. I think I'm good, though.
You sure about that? You sure about that? That's why? You sure it wasn't because after the thing that happened to me, no one could look at me without dying laughing?
Holy cow, do we need an adult?
Now that all the music's done and everything's kind of over with, that was fun. I've never been to a Mama Tried event. This is not the actual event. It's the part held on by, put on by Harley. So yeah, that was like super fun. It's super cold now and we're going back to the house. Again, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm in Milwaukee right now having some fun. In a couple weeks, we're going to California to go have a couple hockey trips. We got Anaheim Ducks and the LA Kings. So again, thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.